Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.